Arrive in style with this Buick 2017 Enclave Premium Group. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include navigation system, 4,500 pounds trailering package, Enclave Sport Touring Edition, Experience Buick Package, Hit the Road Accessory Package, Preferred Equipment Group 1SN, Premium Package, Roof Rack Cross Rail Package and 10 speakers. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.